HeyGen is probably the most popular and easiest to use AI tool out there at the moment, which enables you to create videos from text for the purpose of sales and marketing. And I can already see a lot of other use cases beyond sales and marketing. So what HeyGen does is enables you to create outreach videos at scale. And the process of creating them is fairly easy. Let me walk you through their website, which is actually quite easy to understand and very pleasantly arranged. So you can see that not only you can create videos for your sales and marketing and send it to the people in their email, you can create videos for any other purpose of your marketing and engagement. Having said that, the way it works is very simple too. All you need to do is three steps. First, choose or create an avatar of your choice, and they also let you customize 100 plus avatars from their repository. Once that's done, record your own voice, choose your own voice, or select any voice from their repository. And all of the voices which they provide is also of very high quality, and I'll show you shortly too. And then afterwards, you can select or create a template from scratch, and there are hundreds of them, and that list is growing every day. And these are the avatars and stuff which you can customize as per own requirement, and you can create your own. And there is a lot of wealth of information on their website, which you can see already. This tool is getting quite a momentum, and let me show you some of the testimonials which seem really real to me. But look at this, already they have 15,000 5-star reviews from across the globe, and it has just started. So you can see that people are giving it easiest to use and best usability, which I can really appreciate too. The usability is great. There is some room for improvement, but having said that, the usability is simply awesome. Now, once you sign up, it really becomes easy to use this tool. And as long as as soon as you sign it up, you receive this email in your inbox. So you can see this is the outreach. So they have created an automatic video just to say hello to you, and also have put in some of the email text. You can do this simply with this HeyGen tool. So if you're sending emails to your customers, then you can customize those emails with a small video and text with the help of HeyGen. And of course, you can customize this message and video easily. Once you log in, you are presented with this screen where this Joshua, who's the AI sort of bot, I guess, or a co-founder, he is helping you out in creation of this HeyGen text to video generator. So let's get started. Click on get started. Hopefully you'll be able to see my screen. Let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, there you go, should be good now. Let's create on get started. And now from here from here I'm just saying, okay, I am maybe a marketer at a, let's go with hobbyist or personal user. Continue, and I will say, okay, I'm in advertising. Let's go with only me. I'll just say social media content, and then maybe I'll just say Google, because that is where I found it. And now you can see that it is creating our first AI generator, and the first step is to create our first instant avatar. Click on start, and I'll just go with the animated photo maybe. Okay, or I can create an instant avatar. Let me do an instant avatar. Get started. Okay, I'll just, okay, so it is also giving you the instruction as how to do it. So maybe it just footage, consent, and instant avatar with your clone. Let's go with this. So these are some of the things which you need to take care of. At least submit at least 2 minutes of footage, use a high resolution camera, and all that stuff. Okay, and then next step, and you can upload your footage, or you could record it online at the moment with your webcam. and you can select their own footage here, and this is what you should be creating, which will be used in your own video. Okay, so now let's select the avatar from their repository. Maybe I'll just go with this one. I'll just click here, create video, and you can see that from here you can preview it. And for example, if I click on preview and play it, it is going to play it, and animation is only available when we submit it. You can also submit it as 4K, but let's go with the simple submit one. Okay, so I have 2 credits. If I submit this, I will have 0.5 credit. I will have 1.5 credit left, so that's fine. Let's submit it. It is good for as far as now. Just move it, and as you can see, it is 5% ready, our video. And of course, I haven't changed any text, I haven't done anything, I have just click on it. But of course, if you wanted, you could create a new project, you could select any other text. So let's wait for this to finish, and meanwhile we can go to the left hand side and see other things. Like this is the home. You can have your photo avatar, you can animate your own photo, or you can select from here. Or if you want, you can go with the templates. You can create your first template, and then I just showed you the template. Or you could go with AI script generator like this. You could just give it scenes and all that stuff, and it will create the video out of that text. It's very easy to. Now you can also select your voices from here, like whatever you want. There are heaps of them if you don't want to use your own. And also you can check out the pricing. So there you go. This was a free one, and the good thing was that in order to play around, you don't need a credit card. And then if you're a creator, you can see the price is still very good, I would say. You can if you're a personal creator, you can just go with $48 per month. You can have 3 instant avatars, and 360 credits are more than enough, I guess, if you want to create few videos and share it with the people. That's good. Even the business one is quite cheap, I would say. Okay, cool. And then there are a lot of other things like news, tutorials, labs you can do from here, and these are the assets you'll be creating. Right now it's empty. I don't only think I've created it the video here, which is done. And then if you click here, it is going to play it. There you go. Let me play it too a bit.
Type your script to get started. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
So isn't it amazing? I mean, the quality is awesome. And then of course you can change some of the settings on the right hand side too. So fairly good tool, I would say. Even you can customize it from here. So guys, really impressed by this tool. I think you should give it a try if you want to create your own outreach videos and then send it to your customers. I'll drop the link to this in video's description, and you can play around more. That's it. I hope you like the content. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.